This might sound simple, almost too simple, but that's exactly why it works. The gelatin trick isn't about burning fat aggressively, it's about removing the reason your body refuses to let fat go in the first place. I started using it without changing my routine. Same meals, same schedule, same lifestyle. Yet within the first week, something shifted. My stomach felt lighter, digestion felt smoother, and I wasn't constantly thinking about my next meal. No forcing, no struggle, just 1 spoon a day, taken correctly. Most people don't realize how much gut inflammation controls cravings, fat storage, and energy levels. This ritual targets that using a basic ingredient found in most kitchens. Nothing new, just finally used the right way. That's why it's spreading quietly through word of mouth instead of ads. If you want to see the exact method people are using, including when to take it, click the pinned comment now. Once you understand how it works, you'll never look at weight loss the same way again.